Alright, we got the Toyota Tundra here, and we got a crank, no start sometimes, and rough start, rough idles when it does start. So, what you want to do is go back here to the driver's rear tire and go to your fuel pump driver module right here. I got the new one right here. Oh. Like I said, this is the driver's rear tire. And if you look up here, that's the old module. All there is a little tab there that'll release the handle. Pull that off. See if I can't get this one connected. Sometimes you gotta fight with them. Hold on one second while I do this. Alright, just like that. You gotta fight with them sometimes, but that there is connected. Now if we go back up to the truck, we should be okay. RPM should drop here in a second, but just like that, a lot of the times the fuel pump driver module goes bad on these trucks. Let's wait another second, see how she's gonna run. Well, it seems to be running good now, but you can get that driver control or fuel pump control module on Amazon for roughly 180 bucks, and it's a couple second install when it's not fighting you. There you go.